Scientists can manipulate and control nanoparticles using a variety of techniques, including chemical synthesis. Scientists can create nanoparticles by synthesizing them using chemical reactions. By controlling the conditions of the reaction, such as the temperature, pressure, and concentration of reactants, scientists can manipulate the size, shape, and composition of the nanoparticles. Electrochemical methods. Electrochemical methods involve using an electrical current to manipulate the size, shape, and composition of nanoparticles. Physical methods. Physical methods include techniques such as grinding, milling, and laser ablation, which can be used to create nanoparticles from bulk materials. Self-assembly. Self-assembly involves the spontaneous organization of nanoparticles into ordered structures, such as crystals or monolayers. Scientists can manipulate the self-assembly process by controlling the concentration of nanoparticles, the temperature, and the surface chemistry of the substrate. Surface modification. Surface modification involves changing the surface chemistry of nanoparticles to control their properties. Overall, the specific technique used to manipulate and control nanoparticles depends on the desired properties and application of the nanoparticles.